Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix OnlyFans tip processing delays. So check the payment method. Ensure your linked payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Close and reopen the OnlyFans app to reset the connection. Clear the app's cache. See the instructions for your mobile device. Just wait it out. Sometimes delays are temporary. Wait a few hours and check again. If the issue persists, reach out to OnlyFans support for assistance. These steps can help resolve common processing delays. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.